Here we go. Here we go.
Some argue the good thing about watching a playoff game inside a bar is, if necessary, fans can drown their sorrows.
They don't do jump shots here.
Get him! Get him!
The pain of watching the Pack get sacked by the Giants
All right. Come on now.
is all too familiar for Patty Long. She watched New York beat Green Bay in a nail-biter
Nails are gone.
at Major Goolsby's back in 2008.
It was dead silent in here. Dead silent. Yep. We were here for that. We're going to be back again.
This year's frustration shared by many others,
It's gut-wrenching.
Come on, linebacker, step it up.
Uh-oh.
but one fan's pain
Rock and roll. Let's get the game going here.
is another fan's pleasure.
Show them what a Giant fan really is.
Bartender Mike Santulli moved to Milwaukee from New York to attend school.
I'm only a Giants fan when they play football.
He stayed in Wisconsin, but continues to root for Big Blue. That's the color of New York's jerseys and the mood of many Green Bay fans.
We move on to next year. We're still going to be great.
It's going to be a sad Monday. It's going to feel like you lost your best friend.